Welcome back to my channel. My name is Oge. My channel is a growing channel and we're sharing values that I know many traders out there are going to actually grab and use in their trading journey to actually improve their trading lifestyle and their trading. So I hope you guys enjoy the value. You can actually practice it on your trading view or in your way of trading. You can try it actually to see if it works for you, and I hope you gain some values in this video and content I share for you. Please, again, my name is Oge, and stay tuned for the new topic. Hello, everyone. So, today we're going to talk about the swing high and the swing low. Someone messaged me on one of my comments that if I could help with the swing high and the swing low, which I want to explain very well what is how to know the swing high and the swing low. Some videos you will see they will call it the swing point, but it's something that you know, but it's just called a different name entirely. Now, for a bullish momentum, we have the high, the low, the high, the low, the high. Am I correct? Yes, I'm correct. Sorry for that. Now, this is the swing low. For a retail trader, they will take it as a form of support. They will take the swing low as a form of support. This is a swing low. That is your lower low, and this is a swing high. This is a swing high, and that is your higher high. Do you get me? Now, I will show you an example. It has rules. I would have typed in the rule for you. Now, it has to come with three candles. The one with the longest wick, some people call it rejection block. If you know what they call rejection block, in the future, you know what they call rejection block. I will show you a video on it. It has to come with three candles scenario. The one which comes out the longest is what we call the swing low, or the one which comes out the highest, what we call the swing high. Now, this is just for a bullish momentum. For a bearish momentum, we have the higher low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and lower low. Now, in this scenario, you can see here the lower high is the swing high, while the lower low is the swing low. You can see that, right? In the other way around. Now, for a retail trader, they will take this in form of a resistance. When market gets there, market is going to reject. And this is the lower low, which is the swing low, in form of the also resistance, depending on how retail trading is. I do more of ICT. Now, I'm going to explain to you on the chart. But let me give you an example of how it looks like. I prepared something for you. Well, I was going to do my sketching here, where I will show you how to draw the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then you categorize here as the swing low and here as the swing low. I did this PDF by myself. Now I found a graphics which can help you with differentiating the swing height and the swing low, and I was able to come up with something. I'm going to leave it on my screen for like 5 minutes. Now you can see the three candle scenario. One, two, three. The longest candle, can you see it? The one which pumps out bigger. Do you see this candle? It came out very well. Then it goes four. You see it goes up again. One, two, three. One, two. The same thing again. One, two. The one with the longest wick. It always comes. It's a three candle scenario. It always comes out like in this way that you're doing. You know when you're drawing, this is for a sell. When you are drawing the higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. That one that comes out in the wick around here. But the longest candle, either with a body or a wick, is called the swing low. You can see it here. This is the body of the candle closing here. This candle opens. This is the open of the candle. This is the high of the candle. Sorry, opening of the candle. Market closed here, and this is the low of the candle. That is the wick. If you know the anatomy of candlestick, the same thing here. You can see the whole line. Just draw a line there, the longest one that comes out here. That's how you know what your swing low. Bear with me, my drawing is very poor. That's how you know your swing low. Are you with me? That's how you know your swing low. Now for the swing high, the same situation, just opposite. One, two, the third one, the highest one. Then it continues. The same thing, 1 2 3. Do you see it? Then 1 2. It's always in the middle. It always comes out before the continuation. Don't forget, when you're marking your other block, they'll tell you the last candle before the impulse move. Before that impulse move, that's it. That scenario there is what you'll be looking for the longest candle, the candle that comes out of either the body or the wick. Now we'll go back to the chart again. Let me give you an example. I can start it from 1 week. From 1 week here, I can see here, this is what my swing low. The candle that came out with the wick. Can you see it? This is my swing low. This is my swing low again here. It came out with a wick. This is my swing low. This is my swing low. This is for 1 week chart. Pull up, pull up. This is my swing high. I can take it as a swing high. Do you see it? It came out up, out. This is my swing high. You see, you can go around your chart and practice it, and you see how amazing it is. Break of structure. You look inside here, the longest candle down before the impulse move, my swing low. You look inside, this candle here came out with the wick, my swing low. These are examples of swing low. This is just on one day. This one, my swing low. You can see how easy and amazing it is, right? So it's something that you know. The last candle, you count it 1 2 3. 1 2. You look at this one, 1 2 1 2. This is the longest one, 1 2. You can look in here. This candle came out as the longest wick out. You see it, 1 2 3. It continues. You see it here, 1 2. This is 1 2. Then the longest wick. Just look for the wick or a body that comes out before the impulse move. You can see, you can just go around your chart, check it on 4 hours or 1 hour, on 2 hours, on 15 minutes, and you would see the swing lows and the swing high in the simplest way ever. See it here also, swing low. Swing low is here. We have a swing low. This is also a swing low before market changed its momentum. So I'm going to mark here as my entry, which market came here to react. Do you see it? So this is the whole summary of a swing low and a swing high, and I hope you're able to understand a bit of it and practice it on your own on how to analyze your chart. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel. I have amazing content and offers to give you. Thank you so much.